Lesson 3. Areas of sectors and segments. Using radians also makes finding the areas of sectors and segments much easier. If you have a circle with the arc length, so you have a sector, that makes an angle theta radians with a radius r, the area A here will be equal to the area of the circle times the proportion of the circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and the proportion of the circle will be the degree, the angle theta, over 2 pi for the 2 pi radians. So here the pi's will cancel, and you get A equals a half r squared theta. Let's do an example. In the diagram, the area of the minor sector AOB is 28.9 centimeters squared. Given that the angle AOB is 0.8 radians, find r. We know that A equals a half r squared theta. And so 28.9 is equal to a half r squared times 0.8, which is 0.4 r squared. So r squared equals 28.9 over 0.4, which is 72.25, and therefore r is the square root of 72.25, which is 8.5 centimeters. Let's do another example. A plot of land has the shape of a sector of a circle with a radius 55 meters. The perimeter of the fence around the plot is 176 meters. Calculate the area of the plot of land. We know the arc AB is equal to the perimeter 176 minus 55 plus 55, which gives us 66 meters. And we know L equals r theta to find the angle theta here. And so 66 equals 55 theta. In other words, theta equals 1.2 radians. And now we can use A equals a half r squared theta, which is a half times a 55 squared times 1.2, which gives you 1,815 meters squared. You can find the area of a segment by subtracting the area of the triangle within the sector from the area of the sector itself. If we again take a circle with a sector created from an angle theta, we can see that this area of the sector is half r squared theta. The triangle OAB has an area of half AB sine C, as we know, and r is A and B, so it's going to be a half r squared sine theta. And so the area of the segment is going to be the sector minus the triangle. It's going to be a half r squared theta minus a half r squared sine theta. And you can factor out the half r squared, which gives you A equals a half r squared times theta minus sine theta. Let's do one more example. The diagram here shows a sector of a circle. Let's find the area of the shaded segment. Here we can see that r equals 7 centimeters and theta equals 1.2 radians. And so we know that A equals a half r squared times theta minus sine theta, which is a half times 7 squared times 1.2 minus sine of 1.2, which is a half times 49 times about 0.26797, which gives you 6.57 cm squared to 3SF. And that's about it.